So the other day, well, this last weekend, we went to Holland, Michigan, right? And I did a video about Klompen carving in a Dutch village there. They have Nels Dutch village. I did this video here, and the Klompen carving wasn't very thorough. This guy, I think, he kept, see, like right here, you can see he's looking directly at the camera. I think he got kind of camera shy, rushed through it. I know a bunch of people commented like the tool names he called the auger tool. He called it like a drill tool or like a scoop tool. But anyways, I decided to go and find a video on how Klompen are actually made, right? So we're going to find out right here how Klompen are actually made, the Dutch wooden shoes, right? Wooden clogs, guys. So this video is by a channel called Weary. So make sure you go check them out. The links to the original video will be in the description section down below, as always. And it's located out of Friesland, it says. So we got a little bit of Frisian Dutch clog making video for you guys right here. So we're going to check this out and see what it's all about, because I feel like the other one, it wasn't thorough. He just kind of like rushed through it. You can go see the video. I'll put a link down below for that. But yeah, he rushed through it, didn't really go in depth about anything. So we're going to check this out. Hopefully this will be a little bit more thorough.
When I tell people I'm from the Netherlands, they always jokingly say, "Oh, so you must be walking on wooden shoes all the time, right?" The truth is, I didn't actually think people would still walk on wooden shoes, until I saw a farmer actually walking on the famous Dutch wooden shoe.
Well, yeah, farmers, you know what I mean? Like, because it's just good protective footwear. So that makes sense. It's not a fashion thing, though, right? It's a tool.
Naturally, that sparked my curiosity. How are these wooden shoes made, and why the hell are people actually wearing them?
Yeah, Friesland.
In Noord-Burgum, a small town in Friesland, you can find one of the very few wooden shoes factories in the Netherlands.
Oh, and that's it?
Since 1960, Skerion Klompenfabriek and Museum, a small family-run business, are producing their wooden shoes here.
All right, all right. There we go. We got some right there with the Frisian flag painted on it. I don't know what the middle, I don't know what's on the middle one. Let me know. But I do know the ones on the ends are the Frisian flags. I do recognize that. Okay, yeah, that's the same one that was on the middle, the one there on the top left there.
Currently, the business is run by two brothers, the sixth generation of Skerion wooden shoemakers. So here's how the wooden shoes are made.
Nice.
Mama said it's alright.
Willow trees are cut into large discs.
Willow trees, okay. In Nellis Dutch Village there in Holland, Michigan, they said that they use poplar, I believe they said. Maybe preference, depending on the company. Sounds like out west music from like here in the United States. Or like not out west, like maybe like a blues
These
rock
discs
actually.
are cut
Sorry.
into smaller blocks.
So they just shape them down with the bandsaw, get them to the right size, right? Hopefully not cut your fingers off. That would suck. So,
Using a template, the blocks of wood are copied into the characteristic wooden shoe shape.
so they have a template made. Where's the? I don't see the template. Oh, okay, I see it at the top there. It's the shape. Hit like, hit subscribe. If you do enjoy watching these reaction videos, guys, there's links down below if you wanted to donate videos like this. A lot of times they will get demonetized because I'll probably get a copyright claim for all the music that's used in it. So, you know, it just like helps the channel out and everything like that and all that stuff. So, yeah, links down below along with the video, link to the original video. So. I want to see him do it by hand, though.
Different
Like,
machines are used to carve out the shoes inside.
yeah, so this is almost like an automated method. Like, I want to see like the hand method, which I guess that was kind of like how they were showing at the Dutch village. But like he just said, like this tool's for this tool's for that, and he named them the wrong way. And like I said, if you look at the video, he kept looking at the camera. I think he saw me filming and he got nervous. Yeah, that's just automated. Wonder what they do with all the wood chips. They sell wood pulp on the side.
Finishing touches are made to create the final shape.
You know, I actually had somebody that was sending me wooden clogs, but the package got sent back because he sent beer also. And I don't understand. I don't know why. I've seen other reaction channels, other videos in general where they do like P.O. box unboxings and they'll be getting like, you know, alcohol and stuff like that from different countries. I don't know. They sent him the package back, but it was the same package that had clogs in it. So I don't know if he ever sent that back out or not. If not, oh well, I guess, you know what I mean? But yeah. So I almost had some Dutch clogs.
Then the shoes are ready to.
If you want to send some, I wear a size 13 in American size here. And I do have a link. I do have like the P.O. box down there, by the way, just so you know. Unboxings are cool. It's always cool to see what people send.
Then the shoes are ready to dry, after which they can be sanded and painted.
So this was all machine automated.
And
yeah.
finally, the shoes are sold in their own shop.
I might try to find a video where they do it by hand carving. It'd be cool.
The guys here are genuinely walking on these wooden shoes. But why? Hannes Skerion, the oldest of the two brothers, told me that they are used to walk on these wooden shoes since they were little kids. He says that the wooden shoes fit nicely and walk comfortably, and above all, in the Netherlands, wooden shoes are recognized officially as safety shoes.
Yep, I heard that. I
I
wore
don't see
Dutch.
myself walking on these wooden shoes, nor do I think that it will become a fashion trend anytime soon.
I wore some Dutch clogs in that other video. I'll show you here in a second.
However, I do like the fact that these two brothers are maintaining an old Dutch tradition and are honoring their family business as the 6th generation of wooden shoemakers with pride.
It's cool. It's me.
Natural. How do they feel?
It must be my Dutch ancestry from the 1600s. They feel just like a fresh pair of Converse. Fresh pair of Converse, guys. Right here.
You're lying.
Yeah, they weren't bad. Hit like, hit subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a super fun, awesome day. Take care.